Assalamu alaikum. This is Maruf Hosen. I am an instructor of the Institute of THP. I also make educational videos in YouTube and Facebook. I completed my bachelor degree in computer science from Daffodil International University, where I achieved CGPA 3.87 out of 4. I also completed my higher secondary from Gazipur, which is also my hometown. As a computer engineer, I work with different programming languages such as Java, Python, C, and many more. I also work with different database management systems. Currently, I am working with mobile app development. Now, I'm going to tell you some interesting fact about me. I was the team captain of debating club in my college. I also arranged different cultural programs and also attended many seminars. Currently, I am writing a book for Bangladesh Army job. And when I was just 11 or 12 years old, I started my first tuition. So that looks very funny, right? Since then, I taught many students, my classmates, friends, juniors, cousins, and many more. My university friend even called me master. So this name is also very popular to them. I like teaching profession because it's one of the most respectable profession. I like to share my knowledge with everyone, even eating from any institute or in YouTube or on any other platform. I always like to share it. So my dream is to be a good teacher. So guys, hopefully you will pray for me for achieving my goal and for my dream. So thank you guys for listening to me. Goodbye.